If you want to enable or disable voice access on Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, what you need to do is we need to open Settings. In Settings, we're going to scroll down and you want to choose Accessibility. Next, we're going to scroll down again, and this time we are looking for the voice access option. And finally, in here, we can enable and disable voice access quite easily. If you tap on the switcher, we're going to set it up first. So you can go through these options in order to find out how to use it. Of course, you can allow the access to use notifications, we can use the listening button, we can press done, and then we have the tutorial that you can go through in order to find out how to use it. You can also tap on this X in the top left corner in order to close it. You can also say open tutorial out loud when using the voice access to reopen the tutorial, of course. And if you want to turn it off, we can just tap on the switcher again, of course, and just confirm that you want to do that. And that's pretty much it. Remember that you can go to settings over here in order to find some additional stuff. You can, for example, go over here to voice access commands in order to find out what you can do with this feature. For example, if you want the voice access to stop listening, then we can just say stop listening, and that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe.